Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Multi-Language Treasure. In this video, I will speak about introduce yourself for job interview in a professional way and how to succeed in job interview. So, preparation is the key to knocking your interview and to get your job. So, ఇక్కడ ప్రిపరేషన్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ పర్పస్ అండ్ జాబ్ని ఎలా తెచ్చుకోవాలనేది కూడా మీ యొక్క ఇంటర్వ్యూ బట్టే ఆధారపడి ఉంటుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పార్ట్. అండ్ బిఫోర్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పార్ట్, we will give some tips how to face the interview. Okay friends, first of all, when you will go for any job interview, don't be tense. First relax, express smile on your face and be confident, and dress code in a professional way. Maintain eye contact with interviewer or interviewers, maximum 30 seconds in a go. Okay, let us say, so lot of people doing common mistakes during interview. What are those things? We'll see. Lot of people explaining about your detailed CV or resume, like these activities they are doing that. Okay, please don't do like that. And other thing is that don't ask the salary from your side. Wait until the interviewer will raise this point and they will ask your salary expectations. Okay friends, next one. So depend on your answers for the questions. Interviewer will decide the first impression on you and will set the tone for the entire interview, letting you lead with your strongest selling points. If you are experienced, then highlight your top selling points about your previous positions, achievements and awards. Say confidently. And if you are fresher, speak about your achievements related to your project work or awards, and speak about your courses. Okay friends, let's start for job interview with important rules. First one, greetings. When you'll go for any interview anywhere, you can start with the greetings like good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If the interviewer is male, you can say sir. If the interviewer is female, you can say ma'am. Suppose if the interviewer is more than one, then you will say good morning to everyone. The greetings also change depend upon the time of the day. For example, good morning is generally used from 5 a.m. to 12 p.m., whereas good afternoon is appropriate for a period from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. And good evening is often used after 6 p.m. When the sun goes down. Okay, let's go for second point. Second important rule, thank you. You can say thank you so much for giving me a wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. And you can say thank you for shortlisted my name for interview or final interview. Suppose if your interview is final interview, then you can say thank you for shortlisted my name for final interview. Okay, let's go for third point. Third important rule, name and location. I am Rahul Prakash. I am currently staying in Mumbai but born and brought up in Hyderabad. Here I say my full name and I am clearly mentioning from which city I am staying, and I am clearly mentioning which city I was born and brought up also. And the fourth important rule is educational qualification. Here, if you are did masters, just highlight first master's degree. Suppose if you didn't do the master's degree, then you can say the BTech or degree. You can continue for the go for the top selling points. Okay. Then first, for example, if you are a fresher, you can say I was graduated in 2020 in computer science engineering from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University from Hyderabad. Okay? Okay friends, let's go for fifth important rule, position. Here, first of all, you have to be say your experience and what about your previous position in your previous company, and you have to mention your achievements like merit awards, or is there any achievements, so you have to be mentioned. Suppose I have been work for IT manager since 8 years, so and so company. I won merit award in the perspective of my performance regarding customer satisfaction, like handling the clients and quick response on problem solving methods. For example, if you are a fresher, there is no requirement to say about this position. But if you are an experienced person, you have to be tell your top selling points of your achievements and merit awards. Be clearly. Okay? If you will say if you will say or highlight your top selling points, so this is the turning point of your job interview. Then the interviewer will decide at the moment, yes, this the person what the requirement from for us. Okay, did you got my point? Okay, let's continue. So for the freshers, we don't want to be say about any positions because we didn't work. Okay, so but you have to be highlight your project work achievements. For example, I did live project about time attendance for 2000 employees in a large scale industry company, and mention your courses also, like I have completed SAP, Oracle and .NET and so on. And you can say about your awards also. Okay friends, let's go for six important rule is adjectives. Just say some important adjective words like I am solution oriented, I am a goal or target oriented person, I am a team leader, I am open minded person, I am enjoying working with team members. Use this type of words and don't use the word like I am a leader. Don't say this type of words because it is like fully covered with attitude type of objects. Okay, and go for seventh important rule is hobbies. Mention your hobbies. For example, I like to read historical based storybooks, I like to play hockey and cricket, and watching movies based on realistic stories. And we'll go for eighth important rule is strengths. Say like I have excellent communication skills and training skills in order to train the employees. And we'll go for ninth rule is family. Just express your family members. For example, there are 4 members in my family, including me. My father is a senior sales manager, and my mother is homemaker, and my elder brother is a business analyst. You already clearly mentioned about your family members with their job positions, and the final one is closing. Here, just be concentrated why you were applying for this job and why you are the right person to fit for the job. Tell about your future plans to connect them to company goals. Okay? Okay, friends. Finally, I am combining all the important rules together for self introduction for job interview in 1 minute or 1.5 minute. If we will extend the self introduction 2 or 3 minutes, the interviewer will be bored. So that is the reason we are reducing the time. Okay, we will combine all the important tools together. Let's start. Good morning, sir, or good morning to everyone. Thank you so much for giving me a wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. I am Rahul Prakash. I am from Mumbai. Currently, I am staying in Mumbai but born and brought up in Hyderabad. I have done masters in information technology. I have 8 years experience as a IT manager. I am passionate about perfection of my work. I have excellent communication skills and training skills in order to train the employees. I have strong experience on SAP, Oracle and .NET etc. I was succeeded to create a new software e-services for material supply request process. It includes online approvals and I won merit award in the perspective of my performance regarding customer satisfaction like handling the clients and quick response on problem solving methods. That's all from me. Thank you, sir or madam. Okay, friends, we already completed all the important rules together one time. Okay, follow these important rules. Sure, you will succeed in any interview. Best of luck for your job interview. If you like this video, give thumbs up, and if you subscribe my channel, you will not miss my further videos and you will get notifications, and press the bell icon now and share this video for your friends to help them for their interviews. Please leave your comments in the drop box. Thank you so much for watching my channel Multi Language Treasure.